A for aeroplane, B for boy, C for car, D for doll. E for elephant, F for fan, G for girl, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rat, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for X-ray, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.